Now that we've covered the redaction options in our video, How to Redact Documents in Axcelerate, let's touch on some related items. Sometimes you may wish to flag a document so another user can redact the document at a later point in time. To do this, select a document and switch to Viewer mode. Select Actions and then click Mark for Redaction, which populates a Requires Redaction value in the Redaction Smart Filter. Let's navigate now to our Smart Filters. To locate documents flagged for redaction, open the Redaction Smart Filter located under the Production Conversion section and select Requires Redaction. Click the Apply button and the results list updates to display the documents that have been flagged. If we switch the viewer over to Redaction, make a redaction, and move to the next document to save the redaction. The Redaction Smart Filter is automatically updated, the Requires Redaction flag is removed, and the document is now categorized as redacted, as confirmed here by the document counts. What if you want to take a second look at all documents containing redactions? How would you isolate those documents? Again, use the Redaction filter, but this time select the redacted value. Optionally, you can also use the Redaction Reason or Redaction Color filters located under the Work Product section. These smart filters are all updated in real time as redactions are applied and make it easy to filter to a specific redaction set. Note that when using the Redaction Reason Smart Filter, keep in mind the Any Value document count only counts a document once. If a document contains two redactions, one using the Redaction Reason and the other using the confidential reason, the document will be counted once for each of the individual reason filters. However, it is counted just once overall in the Any Value total. Once you are viewing a document that contains redactions, make sure you are in Redaction Mode. The first tab of the thumbnail panel displays a red exclamation point to the right of any pages that contain redactions. The arrows with the red exclamation points at the top of the tab allow you to jump quickly to the next or previous redacted page. The Verify panel allows you to quickly verify and QC redactions. The Verify panel allows you to see each redaction in context within the document. Any desired changes can quickly be made within this panel. Select the document or documents you would like to modify and make the changes. Alternatively, you can also remove redactions directly within the viewer. When you need to delete a redaction, click the Select icon containing the red pencil, and then click the item to be deleted. Hit Delete on your keyboard, or you can also select the item and right-click to delete it. Using this method, redactions must be removed individually. Full page redactions must be removed page by page. If you need to bulk remove redactions, you can use the Verify panel that we previously discussed, or you can request assistance from your case manager to bulk remove redactions. If you have rights to bulk remove redactions, see the How to Bulk Redact Documents in Axcelerate training video. Now let's say you've applied a redaction and then realize it's not quite right. How do you modify it? Let's move back to one of our redacted documents. When an item needs to be adjusted, click the Select tool with the red pencil and then select the item. White boxes appear on the outside of the item. If you hover your mouse on a white box and when your cursor changes to a double arrow, click and adjust the item. When your mouse has a four-sided arrow, you can click and move the entire item to a new location. The Select tool with the red pencil also allows you to select an item and modify its characteristics, for instance its color or redaction reason. Let's select this redaction and modify its redaction reason. Note that analytic-based redactions must be modified individually. Adjusting one instance of that redaction type does not automatically adjust the other redaction boxes within the rest of the document. Finally, you may want to see what redactions will look like when a document is produced. At the top of the Viewer panel, select the Publish button. You can publish to PDF or TIFF. Once you select an option, you will notice that the Burn in Current Markups option is selected by default. Once we select Publish, the system will generate a copy of what our redactions currently look like.